So today's topic is Navratra special pujas. Yes, quickly, I'm in my YouTube room where I do all my recordings, and I just thought of quickly making this video for all of you because now I have to go for some work. Anyway, so many of you have written about this, that Navratra special puja. Please tell Guru Didi to talk about it, and we want to understand that what is the essence of it and what are the benefits behind it. Okay, so let's get started. I have made some points out here, all right, for all of you. So one by one I will start. Navratra special pujas. Okay, now see, you need to understand that this is the time, this is a very auspicious time for you to do anything which is related to destruction of your own inner fears, all right, from within. I'm talking about fears from within. Sometimes it's not necessary that you all the time fear people around you or because of people you feeling scared. No, sometimes it's your own fears as well, all right. So destroying your own inner fears is one of the major things that many people face these days. You know, even for that matter, depression issues and feeling negative about so many things around. So this is a good time for doing something about this. Okay, and that something is simply means that if you do this puja, if you do things in Navratra, this is supposed to be very beneficial. Okay, so destroying fear from the accidents. Some people have a lot of fear that, oh my god, I will have a sudden accident. I always fear I can't drive. I have this phobia of that suddenly something will go wrong on the road or something. And even for diseases, some people have this major thing, that everything is fine health wise for them, but they have this fear within, that something will go wrong. What do I do? Okay, and I'm really scared about my health. Unnecessarily stress taking and unnecessarily creating issues within is a problem. Okay, so destroying that also is a good time. We talk about the benefits of Navratra pujas. Okay, controlling your enemies and opponents, again, very important. Now there's several kinds of enemies and several kinds of people's lives. We are talking about that, if you are facing enmities, if you're facing enemies all around you, whether it's business related, whether it's your personal issues, relationship related, this is the time to take care of your opponents and your enemies and safeguarding yourself in a positive way. Okay, now Navratras is a time when if you do this Sapshati part that we say, or a special puja, that of course I can't disclose what special puja, but the 9 days pujas will happen. In fact, 11 days puja will happen for you, in which effects of any tantra activity. Tantra is not bad. I'm saying evil black magic activities or supernatural activities or something. Somebody has done some bad thing, evil thing on you. That practice can be dissolved as well. Okay, and the effects of those practices can be diffused. If these are little practices I'm talking about, if it's a black magic thing, it's entirely different. That can also be diffused. I made a point of black magic also. Okay, that black magic remedies and protections, this is the best time to get your black magic diagnosis. If it's a complicated version of black magic, if it's a very old 40 years, 50 years of, I have seen cases which come to us, in which fathers and mothers time, in the starting of their marriages, black magic was done on them, and it's continued till their children now. Okay, so it's like 30-40 years. So this is the best time to diagnose this. The complicated versions, Navratras is the best time to diagnose this, because nothing escapes during this time when the diagnosis happens. Otherwise also it doesn't, but then it becomes much more easier, and this is one of the things that the best time to diagnose this. Okay, if it's a really complicated issue and the issue has been happening for years altogether, that's what I mean. Okay, the next thing, your planets, different planets, Navgrahas, especially planet Shani, Lord Shani. People are very scared of Lord Shani, whereas there's nothing to feel scared about, I always say. This remains under control if you keep on doing this Navratra pujas. Even by yourself, even if you read Sapshati part, even on Navratras yourself, with the correct mind and soul, in the correct thought and intention, then also it helps. Okay, and of course the specialist who will do it will do in a different manner altogether. That will have additions to it and more benefits and professional outlook to it. So pacifying your Navgraha is also one of the important things out here we're talking about. All right, financial well-being and prosperity. Financial well-being and prosperity. Gaining knowledge. Another benefit, gaining knowledge is also an important thing in out here in the Navratras puja, the benefit that you will get out of this. Okay. Markesh dosh is a dosh that is there with a lot of people. So what to do with this? So actually taking care of this also, Markesh dosh remedy during this time is really beneficial and successful. Okay. Black magic remedies and protections I've already talked about in this point. Complicated versions of supernatural elements can be diagnosed and cured during this time. This I've already said. This is one of the points that I've made here for all of you. Okay. New business startups or start. New business start. Vastu pujas, gives results during this time. Good results are given during this time. So this is basically the thing is a combination of things which are complicated, the combination of things that are very tough to solve in the normal days sometimes, because we have to see the nakshatras, we have to see the timing, the yogas, and whether it's suiting somebody, rectification will happen or not, how much can we diffuse it, all of that needs to be calculated and taken care of or considered. But this is one auspicious time when everything will work for each individual of you, because this is a great time. This is a very auspicious and a very strong positive aura is created, is there that time. Okay, so Navratra special pujas, if somebody is facing anything like this that I mentioned and many more things, you can contact the team for the diagnosis, which is definitely a paid service. This is not a paid service. This is a paid service, and the diagnosis, why I'm saying this paid service version is because so many of you are saying that Guru Didi said, that get your diagnosis done, and you're asking for the payment of the diagnosis from the team, Ajay. So it's not like this, people. I've always said in all my case study videos that this is a paid service. This is not a face reading we're doing a 360-degree analysis for you, in which the horoscope, your yagnas, your havans happen, the photograph is kept. We see that what actually your story is, what is the root cause thing, what is the problem, the analysis that needs to be done. So all this requires finances. Okay, and there is no one to sponsor us right now. Let me be very clear, this is no ashram, there is no financial support that we have that we can pay from our pockets, or somebody is sponsoring us. So of course, even if we want to do charity, we cannot at this point of time. Yes, if any one of you wants to do something good enough for the needy, you can come and join us, and you can have a meeting with my the business development team or the coordinators, and if it suits us and if we find you to be genuine enough that you really want to work for the people, we will go ahead with that also. Okay, but that's later on, because we don't take obligations, because we work our ways. All right, but right now it's a paid service, so there should be no confusion in this. So that's about it in this video. Next week I'm coming up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.